Well, hello, hello, hello. Coming back at you with another eye look. This is something I call for the snowy weather days. Okay, it's kind of aqua, blue, green, more spice in the ice. You know what I mean? So I asked you if you are liking this look. Keep on watching, but before, please subscribe. Give your girl this big old thumbs up, share it to your friends and your guys, whoever that's interested, and yeah, kick back, relax, and enjoy. So we have to put the base on the eyes, okay? I'm using the Makeup Revolution and the Sephora for the base. Using my Festival by Profusion palette, we're gonna go with this nice aqua green shade, and we're gonna place that right above the crease area, packing it on first before we do a lot of blending. So I'm gonna actually pack that on until I get the nice shade that I want, because in the pan it looks a little light, but once you put the base down and you apply it on top of the base, it kind of like shift a little bit to a darker shade, which I like. So going in next, I'm going to deepen out the crease area with a more blue shade inside of that palette. Now these shades do not have names on it, so guys, do believe if you are going to do this look with me, just go by the color pattern that's on the palette. Okay, so pause it, look if you need to, but I make sure I put if they do have the shades, I make sure I put them down below in the description box, so make sure you look at that. So I'm just going to deepen and decrease out a little bit more, just using both shades, going back and forth between brushes. Guys, make sure you utilize your tools, please, okay? One with this nice icy blue shade is very, very nice. It's a shimmer inside of that palette. Y'all, that shade is so pretty. You can wet your brush a little more to get the more payoff that you need if you're going for a more silvery shade, because it's kind of like a shift. In the pan, it looks a little blue, a little aqua, but once you place it on top of your eye, it's a little silvery, kind of blue looking shade. So, however you want the pigmentation, just apply as much as needed and wet your brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and place some of this blue shade from the Maybelline. This is I think an unstoppable gel eyeliner. I'm just gonna place that on the outer portion and right on my eyelash line, and then I'm going to smudge it out with that same shader brush that I use for the shimmer, just to deepen it out a little bit more, give the illusion that it's got a little depth to it. Looks real, real nice in pictures, guys. I mean, it was like totally a look in with the pictures. So I'm just gonna place some of that blue that we placed in the crease and that aqua green shade that we first put down for the transition down on the lower of the bottom lash line. Gonna smoke it out a little bit, give it a little smoke, because when I think about ice and flurry and stuff like that, I think about a lot of bright colors, something that's a little bit more open. So I'm gonna go in with this white shade from the NYX Cosmetics. This in the shade Milk. When there's jumbo eyeliner pencils that I've used on my channel before. It's kind of no stranger, because girl, we like an open eye, okay? Then we're gonna place in that same shimmer shade in the inner corner of the eye. Just open it up a little bit more, because when you look at ice, it's so white, it's so flurry, it's so open. It's like an open feel, like you can see anything that come through, anything. I'm placing that same shimmer shade on the brow bone area. Open it up a little bit more. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start the face. Now, I'm not showing this on camera, but if you guys are interested, let me know in the bottom of the in the comment section, and I will make sure I place my items that I use down below in the description box. All right, here go the lashes. Oh my God, these things are so huge, but I just want to look very doughy today. I want to look like a snow goddess. You can't look like a snow goddess if you got these little lashes on. No, baby, you gotta have those eyes to pop. Okay, girl, and this is exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna place those big lashes on. Now they're so huge, you gotta make sure that the lashes is stuck onto the lash band. Okay, for one. And guys, oh, they are so pretty with this look. I think I did a great choice. I'm going to put some mascara on the bottom lashes and just a little bit on the top. I'm going to make sure those are very spread apart. Make sure they're dark, so that white can actually stand out. Put my earrings on, girl, and, my hair is done. We are ready to go, girl. Ooh, y'all rock this for the snowy days. I mean, just get you some blues, get you some nice aqua greens, get you some silvers, get you some nice golds will even do good in the snow. And baby, look your best for this nice winter. What the little bit we have left. So, yeah. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you so much. And like I said, please subscribe, thumbs up, share, and like, comment. Bye.